Alright guys, so this is really cool stuff, and I can't wait to get this up and running and bring it to the park and stuff. And also, I can't wait to bring this to the same place and run it around with my friend Rick. The other day we tried Arma in one of his cool trucks, and something went wrong, but this time I think things will go great. I'll probably bring this and the Arma and see which one works better, and we'll be flying these things off the pizza ramp, and it should be really epic. So yeah, looking forward to that, and it's gonna be fun times, guys. They do make really fun things. Anyway, so far so good on Banggood. Packaging sucked, but products so far look good, so keep our fingers crossed and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Likey.